Hello guys, today I want to show you how to create a foreign bank account, and for this class I'm going to use Gray. There are different websites and different apps you can use to get a foreign bank account, but so far Gray is the smoothest, and I will show you what works for me. In other videos I will also explain other apps like Payday, Payoneer and the rest. You can get the Gray app from your app store. So go to your Play Store or your App Store and search Gray, Grey, Grey. So when you search it up, you download the app. If you want to use your browser, you go to grey.co, grey.co. So either you download the app or you go through the browser, it's the same thing. When you are there, you click on create account, you let it load. Create account, so you let it load. Now you are brought to the page where you have to input your information. Please ensure that you put in the right information. Okay, your first name, your last name as it appears on your government documents like your NIN or your ID. You put in your correct email where you receive regular emails. You put in the right phone number. These are all important to avoid any complications. You know, you're talking about money here, and this is your bank account. Just imagine it's a confirmed bank account, right? And you don't want to miss your payment. So you put in the right number. You put in a password you can remember. The password has to be something you can remember and strong. Make your money day safe. You get? So please guys, use my referral code. I'm going to put my referral code in the description below, so you use my referral code so that you can just show some love that you are enjoying what I'm doing and how I'm sharing information. So when you are done with that, you click on next. Now an OTP is sent to your email. Make sure you go and get that OTP and you use your correct email. You see why it's important? You copy it, then you put it in here. Make sure you put the correct PIN you got, because it's verification. You click on verify account. When you click on verify account, you'll be brought to this page where you have to put in more information. Remember, everything has to be legit. You don't want any mixtures. Okay, we'll take this out. Everything has to be legit. So you put in your home address, your street address. Let's say you're at number 10 Ojugodo Street. So what you write here is 10 Ojugodo Street. So again, for this tutorial, I'm just going to use random detail. So whatever we're doing here now, it will definitely not verify. But when you put your correct details, as I'm telling you to do, your verification will be sure and you have your international bank account. So I'm just going to put all the information: state, city, again your zip code. Remember how I told you to get your zip code? You just search on Google, search your location on Google, you will get the zip code. You understand? Let's say you're in Abakaliki, you search Abakaliki zip code. Abakaliki zip code, search it on Google, you will get your zip code. Okay, all right. So now the next thing is your utility bill, your date of birth. Utility bill like NEPA bill and the rest. You understand? Water management, all those kind of stuff is utility bill. So let's first of all put the date of birth. You have to put your correct date of birth. Occupation, freelancer is the occupation. Okay, let's just go right into it. Let me not talk too much. So date of birth, I'm just putting a random date of birth, you understand, for this tutorial, but make sure your date of birth is correct with what is on your NIN and the rest. So now you have to upload your utility bill. So you either take a picture or you upload an already snapped picture of your utility bill. Utility bill might be NEPA bill, water bill and the rest. Okay, then you upload it. So you upload your utility bill and make sure it's not any later than 3 months back. Okay, that's very important. not more than 3 months back. So now you put in your gender. After your gender, your occupation, you use freelance. Okay, use freelance for your occupation, because basically that's what you want to use to receive money for. Then also the next thing is purpose for signing up on Gray. You understand? So for this one, you are going to select receive payment from international clients and stuff like that. So receive payment from. So when you select that, you click on next. You allow it load up. Make sure you have a good network, because you are uploading stuff here. You're uploading verification. Oh, great. So now that you are verified, you are almost there. You have to verify your information. You understand? So now you click on next. But please, you have to make sure you have good network. Your international passport, ID, or driver's license. Those are the kind of information you use to verify this. International passport, ID, or driver's license, or your NIN. You understand? As the case may be. So now you click on start. Select your country. Make sure it's the legit country. You understand, as it is on your ID or NIN, so that you be verified. Then you select the kind of document. You see the different kind of document there. So you select anyone you are using, but you can use your NIN slip, or your NIN card, or your driver's license, or your passport, or your voter's card. You see? So when you click on any of them, you now take a picture. You understand? Make sure there's enough light to take the front and the back. Make sure there's enough light, and you make sure that the ID or the card is inside this green border. You see that green border? Make sure it's inside and is well like that. Then you take a picture. You check if it's good. If it's good, you carry on. If it's not good, you do it again. You understand? You have to just get it right and make sure there's good light, right? So you let it load. Make sure your network is good also, because if your network is bad, it will affect it. So now you take a picture of the back of the card, of your ID card, or the NIN slip, or the NIN card, or whichever one you are using, or your driver's license. Again, you make sure that it's between the border, that green border. You understand? Then the next place you take it to take a selfie verification. Now you want to put your head inside this circle. Make sure your head is well inside the circle. It says make 2 circles with your head. You see the way I'm turning my head? You look at the image down there of that yellow girl. You understand? You see the way she's turning her head. So when you are set, you click on the camera button there to start recording. So you make 2 circles with your head and you click on stop. Now you have to do it well. If you don't do it well, you can restart. You see, I just restart because I did not do it well. So you click on start. You put your head in the circle and you rotate it twice. This is important. If you don't do it well, you are not going to be verified, and you have to do it again. You can't get your account if you don't do it well and if you're not verified. So you have to make sure you have good network. You need to have good network, strong network. If not, you will sleep here. Some people will stay here and be doing it over and over again. If you get it wrong, it will not work. So you put your head in the circle. You rotate it twice. Make sure your ear is showing and everything. Look at the girl at the bottom there. You rotate it twice. Then you click stop. Okay, now you are verified, right? If you didn't do it well, you won't get here. That's the truth. All right. So you are all set up. You have created your Gray account. Now you proceed to your dashboard. You have to set a PIN. Make sure it's a PIN you remember, 4-digit PIN. Don't use the same PIN you have on your ATM card, though, so that somebody that knows your ATM PIN will not come and collect your money. You understand? So you create a good PIN and you are in. Now you have created your account. If you click on history, you see everything there. You click on more. Now this account verification, you have to do it though. You understand? If you did it well, you will see it verified there. You You understand? If you don't see it verify, click on it and verify it. Okay, so now you click on that United States dollar you see up there. You see the United States dollar. Okay, so when you get here, you have to select the kind of account you want, but the US dollar account is down now on every platform, so you have to select either GBP or Euro. When you select it, you get to this page. Now you see account details there. When you click on that, you're supposed to get to your application for your account, but because of I need to verify this account properly, I've not done that. That's why I can't get it. So but if you do your own well, as I explained to you, when you click on account details, you are supposed to see your legit account. You understand? Or they will show you how to verify to get your account. So that is how you get your international bank account. You understand? So if you have done it well, when you get to that point that you click on account details, you are supposed to be redirected to do a verification for your account details, and you get the account details in a couple of hours. So this is how to do it. If you use the right details, you get your account fast. So I'm going to say bye for now. In my next video, I will explain more. Stay connected and stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Subscribe, like and share.